guys, welcome to Amy's Wow Cake. Today I'm going to decorate this mystery cake. Let's get it started. Wow, it's cloud and sun. Wow, it's tree and basket. Today I am going to use these toys to decorate it. Let's start decorating. Comment below. Let me know which idea you like to watch or any decoration you like to learn. I will create some video. Oh, it's Daddy, Mommy, and George. Oh, it's Peppa, Danny, Pedro, and Emily. It's a house. Oh, it's peppapig cake. The house is actually a cake. Nom, 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 nom. If you like my channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.